TSL business splat mafia tomorrow. Sauce Walka, Mike Beezy video shoot in the 4-4 Beezy with Mike Beezy, man. Man, video shoot. Excuse me, Mike T. Tell what it is.
Excuse me, don't abuse me. I know I'm down TSL business. That pose up and get right now we're in that stiff clip.
We're in that stiff clip right now. We're in that stiff clip right now. Ed Rooters, eating me chicken is TSL business. I'm out with my TTM family. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? True to the money. You feel me? A whole bunch of it to the floor. Hey man, if you and Dallas, you trying to work, spill or splash, then hit my phone fast. I'm gonna be out here for a couple of days. We doing a couple of plays. Come to the video shoot tomorrow. Side Dallas. Shout out to the 4-4 and the 4 dude. Free all my spillers. Oh, yeah.
We love guys coming up around here.
What's up, y'all? So first of all, I want to thank y'all so much for tapping into my channel. I appreciate y'all. And the clip I do show y'all, that was Sauce Walka, and he pulled up to Yella Breezy's hood, and he had a bag full of cash, and he's wearing all these chains and carrying this money with him, and he's going from hood to hood. And you gotta be careful because he's already been clapped one time before, unfortunately. When that happened over 2 months ago, it was clapped. Sauce Walka is still moving the same way, like he did before he got clapped. And that is why I'm saying that Sauce Walka, you need to be careful. So, let me know what you think about this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.